Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
I have found an amazing fan by Nezylaf. I was so impressed by this little pink fan. Not only is it safe to be with kids, but it's really powerful. That brought me a lot of peace of mind that a kid could use it or anyone can use it. Now, my camera did not pick up how fast this little fan was moving, but it is very powerful. It even has 2 speeds, but even on the lowest setting, I still felt a really good amount of breeze. If you get hot very easy, live in a hot climate, this is just perfect little fan to carry with you. I also love that it can be set on a table, which is just a really amazing feature that a portable fan can be set on the table. I like to just throw it in my pocket anywhere I go because this fan is powerful. It's really awesome. And the best part is rechargeable. So I don't have to worry about dead batteries or anything like that. It will always be ready to use. And honestly, I have yet to even charge it because the battery is so long lasting. So if you're looking for a fan, this is the one to get.
And that's my point of view.